Then we goes more details about the prokaryotic cell. That presented by prokaryotic cells occurs in a monera including organisms like a bacteria, archaebacteria, mycoplasma and blue-green algae. These are the cyanobacteria. These bacteria we observe a different shapes. Sometimes we observe a rod-shaped bacteria. These are called bacillus or bacilli. And if the shape of the bacteria is spherical, then it is called coccus. And if the shape of the bacteria is coma shaped or kidney shaped, they called vibrio or vibrios. And if the shape of the bacteria is a spiral shape, then it is called spirulum. These are the different shapes. And this spherical shaped, if that spherical single is there, then it is called coccus. If there two sphericals are here, two bacteria are joined spherically, these are called diplococcus. And then streptococcus, like that. In this coccus also have forward further types. These are the bacteria, 4 types: bacillus, coccus, vibrio and spirulum, on the basis of a basic shapes. Then we goes towards more details about the prokaryotic cells basic structure. It includes a cell envelope and its modification, cytoplasm, cell organelles and inclusion bodies, then naked genetic material means genomic DNA, that is a single chromosome. Then we will go toward the cell envelope. Cell envelope consists of a glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. Then glycocalyx is loose sheath means slime layer, thick and tough means capsule. Then we will observe all these basic structures in this diagram. This is a structure of prokaryotic cell. For study of prokaryotic cell, we have to take an example, that is the bacterial cell. This is a bacterial cell. This is a glycocalyx is the outermost layer. Glycocalyx, that is the outermost layer. Then cell wall and then plasma membrane. Glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. Glycocalyx, then plasma membrane, or it is also called as a cell membrane, and this is a cell wall. These are the 3 layers means trilaminar, that is the cell envelope of a prokaryotic cell or bacterial cell. It consists of a 3 layers. Then it consists of this plasma membrane enclose a cytoplasm. That cytoplasm contains minerals, salts, enzymes and that is genetic material, that is plasmid. These dense structures or bodies, these are called ribosomes, and these are the structures, these are the extensions arises from the plasma membrane. These are called pili, flagella. These are the pili and flagella. These are the extensions originate from the plasma membrane. Pili and flagella and femori, all these are the extensions originate from the plasma membrane. And this is the actual chromosome of prokaryotic cell. It is a single chromosome, or it is a genetic material, it is a DNA, and that is a plasmid is also a extra chromosomal DNA. That is the structure of a prokaryotic cell. We will see one by one in details. The cell envelope consists of a glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. First we will see about the glycocalyx. Glycocalyx is the outermost layer of the bacterial cell. That layer helps that bacteria for adhesion, and it will be also protect the bacteria from the adverse climatic conditions. And this, if that in some bacteria, this glycocalyx is loose sheath, then it is called slime layer. And it is thick and tough, then it is called capsule. Both that slime layer and capsule are made up of a polysaccharides. This is about glycocalyx outermost layer. Then next, cell wall. Cell wall determines shape of the cell. A definite shape get to the cell due to the cell wall. It provides a strong structural support also. Then prevent bacteria from bursting or collapsing. बॅक्टेरिया कोलॅप्स होऊ नये, बस्ट होऊ नये, त्यांच्यापासून त्याला प्रोटेक्ट करणं हे सेल वॉलचं काम आहे. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू सी दॅट बॅक्टेरिया क्लिअरली, वी यूज ए स्टेन, a color to the bacterial cell. Then cell wall taken this stain is named as a Gram stain. This Gram stain, why it is called? Because its name is on the basis of the scientist name. A Danish bacteriologist, Christian Gram, that scientist given a stain to the bacteria. During that time, that bacteria cell wall taken a colors. And then he given color, he given stain, and later on he will wash that bacteria. That times he observed some bacteria taking a stain, and some bacteria lose the stain when it wash with the help of alcohol. Then those bacteria retain the stain. These are called Gram positive. And those bacteria lose the stain. These are called Gram negative bacteria. Then this bacteria cell wall is made up of a peptidoglycan and pseudopeptidoglycan. Eubacteria मध्ये it is made up of a peptidoglycan, and in Archaebacteria it is made up of a pseudopeptidoglycan. Chemically, that cell envelope is very complex because glycocalyx is made up of a polysaccharides, cell wall is made up of a peptidoglycan and pseudopeptidoglycan, and now plasma membrane is made up of a proteins and lipids. Then next, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means it gives entry to the specific substances. This is called a semi-permeable plasma membrane, and it is structurally similar to that of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells plasma membrane is made up of a lipids and proteins, bilayer lipids and a single layer proteins. Proteins embedded in the bilayer proteins. That is the structure of plasma membrane in eukaryotics. Same that type of structure of plasma membrane in the prokaryotic cell also. Then that is actually the site of a very critical metabolic activities also takes place in the plasma membrane, just like a photosynthesis, respiration. And this plasma membrane separate the cell from the exterior, cell cytoplasm from the exterior. It will be given entry to the specific substances, and it is also act as a barrier. It is also act as a actual chemical, which are the chemicals that will be also identify that plasma membrane. This is about the plasma membrane. Then next, mesosome. Mesosome is a extension of plasma membrane. Extension of plasma membrane into the cytoplasm. It is irregularly folded and irregular structure of that irregularly folded structure of a plasma membrane interior to the cytoplasm. This is called a mesosome. And the function of that mesosome, that will be help in the formation of cell wall, and that will be help in the formation the replication of DNA and distribution of a chromosomes in the daughter cells. Then next, chromatophores. Chromatophores, this is also another body which is present, which occurs in the photosynthetic bacteria. These are called the cyanobacteria. Those bacteria perform the process of photosynthesis. These are called photosynthetic bacteria. They show chromatophores. and there is chromatophores containing the pigments. A bacteriochlorophyll, bacteriophyophytin and carotenoid, these are the pigments occurs in the chromatophores. This is also a longer extension of a plasma membrane into the cytoplasm. These two, mesosomes and chromatophores, these are two membrane bound organelles found in the prokaryotic cell. Next. This is about the prokaryotic cell. Cyanobacteria, these are the photosynthetic bacteria. That bacteria, some bacteria also help in the nitrogen fixation. These are symbiotic, these are non-symbiotic. Symbiotic example is Anabaena and non-symbiotic example is Nostoc. That Nostoc have a heterocyst. That heterocyst help to the synthesis, fixation of a nitrogen. Like that, a different types of bacteria, cyanobacteria, archbacteria, mycoplasmas, all these are the organisms, simple form of organism. Their bodies are made up of only a prokaryotic cells. So that then other organs just like a flagella, pili and fimri. These organs, these are the extensions of plasma membrane. They extend from the plasma. We observe some bacteria, these are motile. How the motility arises in these bacteria? Due to the flagella. That flagella is a filamentous extensions from their cell wall, composed of three parts: filament, hook and basal body. That will be extend from the cell wall. That is the flagella. Then pili and fimri. These are the two structures. These are also elongated tubular structures. Fimri, small bristle-like fibers, and help in attachment of bacteria. Actual pili help in a intercommunication. Then fimri attached to or clinging to the support. Then next cell organelle occurs in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell, that is the ribosomes, associated with plasma membrane of the cell. Ribosomes, these are the dense bodies made up of two subunits. Larger unit is 50S and smaller unit is 30S, which when present together form the 70S type of ribosomes. Then another inclusion bodies present in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell. These are for storage of reservoir material in prokaryotic cells. Then these are of storage of prokaryotic cells. These are not bounded by any membrane system and lie free in the cytoplasm. These are the inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies, actually these are the storage bodies. And what they store? They store the glycogen and starch. Starch and glycogen they store. Then organic, that is the organic inclusion. And inorganic inclusions, sulfur and phosphate also included in the inorganic inclusions. Like that, a gas vacuoles are found in a blue-green algae and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. This is about the structure of a prokaryotic cell and including all parts of the prokaryotic cell. This is about prokaryotic cell. Thank you.